Welcome to Instantly.AI Cold Email Mastery. I'm Mikey AI, and in this comprehensive course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about using Instantly.AI to book more meetings and grow your business. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your cold email game, this step by step guide will walk you through the entire process from setting up your email accounts to launching full scale campaigns that actually convert. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Instantly, AI is an all in one cold email platform designed to help you scale your outreach effectively. To get started, simply head to instantly.ai, click on Get Started, and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean dashboard with everything you need on the left sidebar. The platform combines email management, lead generation, AI powered tools, and analytics all in one place. This means you don't need multiple tools scattered everywhere, instantly handles your entire cold email workflow. The first critical step is setting up your email accounts. Instantly gives you three options. First, you can connect existing accounts. Perfect if you already have email addresses ready to go. You can connect Google, Microsoft, or any SMTP provider. Second, there's the done for you setup. This is my recommendation for beginners. Instantly handles everything: domain selection, email creation, and configuration. It eliminates tech headaches and human error. Third, pre warmed accounts are available if you need to start sending immediately. These are ready to use accounts that skip the warm up period. Each option has its place depending on your timeline and technical comfort. Here's a crucial lesson many people learn the hard way: never send cold emails from your main company domain. When I first started, I made this exact mistake. Here's what happens: when you blast cold emails from your primary domain, it gets flagged as spam. Your reputation tanks, and suddenly even your legitimate business emails end up in spam folders. The solution: use secondary domains specifically for cold outreach. For every domain, set up about 5 email addresses. Each email can safely send around 30 emails per day. So one domain gives you capacity for 150 emails daily. This protects your main domain while scaling your outreach. Email warm up is absolutely essential. Don't skip this step. When you get new email accounts, they have no reputation. If you immediately start blasting cold emails, they'll go straight to spam. The warm up process builds your sender reputation over about 2 weeks, instantly automates this by sending and receiving emails between accounts in their network, marking them as important and not spam. You can monitor your warm up progress in the dashboard, track emails sent, received, and your health score. I recommend setting a daily campaign limit of 30 emails per account. Be patient during this 2 week period. It's the foundation of your deliverability success. While your emails are warming up, set up Instantly Copilot. Think of it as ChatGPT specifically trained for your cold email campaigns. Go to the memory section and fill in your business details. You can paste your website URL and let it scrape the information or fill it manually. Include your company name, what you do, any awards or credibility markers, and your outreach goal, whether that's booking meetings, sending lead magnets, or inviting people to webinars. Next, create customer profiles with their pain points, benefits you offer, and communication style. Finally, add guidance rules. I recommend keeping emails under 40 words, 8 to 10 words per sentence, leading with value, and ending with a clear call to action. This foundation makes all your AI outputs consistent and effective. Now let's build your lead list using SuperSearch, Instantly's database of over 450 million B2B contacts. You have two ways to access it. First, through Copilot, just type find marketing agency owners in the United States and it generates filters automatically. Second, go directly to SuperSearch and use the filter system. The AI assisted search is incredibly powerful. Describe your ideal customer and watch it build your list. What makes Super Search special is that it's fully integrated. You find leads, verify emails, enrich data, and add them to campaigns, all without leaving instantly. No more juggling multiple tools or exporting and importing CSV files. Let's explore the powerful filtering options in Super Search. You can filter by job title, like CEO, founder, or marketing director. Management level lets you target entry level up to C suite executives. Department filters include engineering, sales, HR, and more. Location filters work for both contact location and company headquarters. Industry keywords help you get specific, like targeting HVAC companies or SaaS businesses. You can filter by employee count and revenue range to find companies of the right size. Technology filters are gold for targeting specific tool users, like Shopify store owners. And industry news filters let you find companies that just received funding or announced expansion. Layer these filters strategically to build highly targeted lists. Email verification is non negotiable. There's nothing worse than building a great campaign only to have emails bounce because addresses are outdated. Instantly's verification runs a 3 step process to ensure emails are valid and deliverable. When you click Find Emails, select Work Email Verification. This confirms the contact still works at the company and the address exists. The enrichment option pulls LinkedIn profiles, headlines, company descriptions, and more. This extra data becomes powerful for personalization later. Verified emails mean higher deliverability, better sender reputation, and ultimately more replies. Never skip this step. The cost of verification is nothing compared to the cost of a destroyed sender reputation. Here's where Instantly gets really powerful: AI columns for automated personalization at scale. Click Add Column and select Use AI. You can write custom prompts to generate personalized lines for each lead. For example, write a prompt like, based on their LinkedIn headline and summary, write a 1 sentence compliment. The AI processes each lead individually, creating unique personalization. You can also generate entire emails using AI. Select the data points to reference: headline, company description, recent news, and let the AI craft contextual messages. Choose from multiple AI models, including OpenAI, Claude, and DeepSeek. What used to take me hours of manual work now happens in minutes. Test your prompts with the preview feature before running them on your full list. Time to create your campaign. Go to campaigns and click Add New. Give it a clear name and continue. Now, go back to Super Search, select your verified leads, and move them to your new campaign. In the campaign dashboard, you'll see several tabs. The Leads tab shows everyone in your campaign with their enriched data. The Sequences tab is where you'll write your emails. Analytics will show performance once you launch. Before writing emails, make sure your leads are properly imported with all the custom columns and personalization data. A well organized campaign with clean data is the foundation of high performing outreach. Now for the email sequences, the heart of your campaign. For your first email, write a compelling subject line. Use variables like hi, first name, for personalization. You have 3 options for writing the body. Manual writing gives you full control. Keep it short, around 40 to 80 words. The AI sequence writer generates complete sequences based on your offer and case studies, or use your AI generated columns with variables. Pro tip: use spin tags to create variations. Instead of hi, use alternatives like hello or hey that rotate automatically. This improves deliverability by making each email unique. Add follow up steps. I recommend 2 to 3 follow ups spaced 2 to 3 days apart. Keep follow ups even shorter and reference your previous email. Never assume you know what works best. Test everything. Instantly makes A B testing simple. Click Add Variant to create alternative versions of your email. Test different subject lines, maybe high name versus quick question, name. Test different opening lines, personalized compliments versus direct value propositions. Test calls to action, asking for a meeting versus offering a free resource. The system rotates between variants and tracks performance separately. In analytics, you'll see clear winners based on open rates and reply rates. Double down on what works and cut what doesn't. Continuous testing is how you improve from a 2% reply rate to a 10% reply rate over time. Before hitting launch, run through this checklist. First, set your schedule. I recommend business hours 9 to 6, Monday through Friday. Select which email accounts to use, only warmed up accounts with good health scores. Enable stop sending on reply so you don't keep emailing people who responded. Disable open tracking. It hurts deliverability more than the data helps. Set your daily limit based on your accounts. 30 emails per account is the safe zone. Enable provider matching, Google to Google, Microsoft to Microsoft for better inbox placement. Finally, add campaign tags for organization. Once everything checks out, click launch. Your campaign is now live and emails will send according to your schedule. The Unibox is your command center for managing replies. Instead of checking multiple email inboxes, every reply from every campaign flows into one unified inbox. Filter by status, new, interested, meeting booked. Filter by campaign or by sending account. When you click into a conversation, you see the full thread, lead details, and can reply directly. Instantly automatically categorizes responses using sentiment analysis, marking them as interested, not interested, or out of office. You can manually adjust these labels. Add notes to leads to track important details. The Unibox transforms inbox management from a chaotic mess into an organized system. Check it daily and respond promptly to interested leads. AI reply agents are a game changer for scaling your outreach. Go to AI agents and create a new reply agent. Set it to fully autonomous mode, and it will automatically respond to leads without your involvement. Configure the behavior. Should it handle follow ups? Respond to objections? You train it with guidance. For positive replies, maybe ask about scheduling a demo. For negative replies, gracefully remove them from the list. Set the tone friendly, professional, concise. Add specific instructions about your offer and common questions. The AI reads each reply, understands context, and crafts appropriate responses. You can start with review mode to approve responses before sending, then switch to autopilot once you trust it. This alone can save hours of manual reply work every day. Instantly includes a built in CRM to track your pipeline. Go to CRM and then opportunities. You'll see a Kanban board with stages interested, meeting booked, meeting complete, and closed. Leads automatically move based on their status, or you can drag them manually. Each card shows the lead's details and conversation history. Filter by campaign, date range, or list. You can customize pipeline stages to match your sales process. The CRM also shows opportunity value if you track deal sizes. This gives you visibility into your entire funnel, from first email to closed deal. No need for a separate CRM tool for cold email source leads. Use sales flows to automate actions based on lead status changes. Data drives optimization. The analytics dashboard shows your key metrics at a glance. Track emails sent, delivered, opened, and replied. Your reply rate is the most important metric. Aim for 5 to 15%. See performance broken down by campaign, by email account, or by time period. Identify which campaigns are crushing it and which need work. Check individual account health scores. If an account drops, pause it before it damages deliverability. Compare A B test variants to find winners. Look at reply sentiment. How many positive versus negative responses? Export data for deeper analysis if needed. Review analytics weekly and make adjustments. The difference between mediocre and excellent results is consistent optimization based on real data. Here's a pro tip: use Copilot for campaign analysis. Instead of staring at numbers, ask Copilot questions in plain language. Try, based on my campaigns, what's working best and what should I improve? Copilot analyzes all your data: open rates, reply rates, which subject lines perform, which offers resonate. It provides specific recommendations. Maybe your follow ups are too aggressive or your personalization isn't landing. Ask about best performing campaigns, worst performing segments, or optimal send times. This is like having a cold email consultant available 24/7. Use these insights to continuously refine your approach. The combination of solid analytics plus AI interpretation accelerates your learning curve dramatically. Congratulations! You now have the complete blueprint for cold email success with Instantly AI. Let's recap the key steps. Set up secondary domains and warm them properly. Configure Copilot with your business context. Build targeted lists using Super Search with verification. Create personalized campaigns using AI tools. Launch with proper settings and monitor your Unibox. Let AI agents handle responses while you focus on closing deals. Track everything in the CRM and optimize using analytics. Remember, cold email is a skill that improves with practice. Start with small volumes, test relentlessly, and scale what works. I'm Mikey AI, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Now, go book some meetings.